Is replacement cost or guaranteed replacement cost right for me? Unfortunately, that depends on several factors. Ultimately, the decision to go with replacement cost or guaranteed replacement cost for your policy comes down to you and what your agent or provider recommends. While most carriers do offer limits lower than guaranteed replacement cost, we don't recommend that here at Barry Insurance, as the savings is minimal and the difference in coverage is vast. We believe it serves the client's best interest to have guaranteed coverage without a cap to protect what's most important. Replacement cost would be ideal for those looking to balance coverage and cost. For example, if your kitchen was built 15 years ago and is now damaged, the policy would pay what it costs to rebuild the kitchen today rather than reducing the claim payment due to the cabinets and materials depreciating with age. This would also be a great option for properties where the rebuilding costs are relatively stable. Guaranteed replacement cost is more suitable for those who want the most protection and are willing to pay a potentially higher premium for it. This coverage is also recommended for homes in areas where natural disasters may occur, as the cost of building materials and labor can skyrocket if a large area is damaged. Here at Barry Insurance, we try to write policies with guaranteed replacement cost whenever possible. That way we ensure our clients get the best possible protection in the event of a claim. That being said, guaranteed replacement costs may not be available to cover every home. Older homes or homes made from harder to replace materials may not be eligible for guaranteed replacement cost coverage. So be sure to talk with your agent about your options when shopping for a homeowner's policy. If you'd like to learn more about insuring an older home, check out the article linked in the description of this video. Your home is the base of operations. It holds your belongings, memories, and most importantly, your family. A total loss on your home would be devastating, so getting the best protection for your needs will help you prepare for the worst case scenario. If you have more questions on homeowners insurance, check out our Learning Center on our website. We have tons of articles and videos on all types of insurance. If you found today's video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We make videos like this every week to help educate our viewers of the world of insurance. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.